So what is the war on waste? And let's go through it now. It basically is a team, in this case a team of 5 people. One is in Paris, 2 are in Dallas, 1 is in Antwerp, and 1 is in Kuala Lumpur in the factory. And they have a problem they're working on, and they go through the 6 steps laid out in the format that you see here. The little columns each represent what we call a card, or a phase of the process. So those are the 6 phases of the war on waste. And their ultimate goal is to present the results to the CEO, and using our facilitator as the bridge between coming up with the idea, working through it in detail, and then presenting your results to the CEO. Sort of as, it's not only easy, but it's really fun. So if you take let's say a smartphone, and it shows here on this section here, if you take a smartphone and take a picture, which shows here, when you take the picture, it shows up almost immediately on the base station. So here's what the War on Waste program looks like. This is an example of a War on Waste that we did with the law firm. So each of the cards that you see here, this one is how the beginning and how to use the War on Waste. The second column here is the training module for the first phase, which is determining what your potential cause might be. So when you click on, let's say, this one, you have this particular waste. This is an additional waste other than the ones you saw. So we have a number of templates like this that you can use to help work your way through your wastes. So when you you go through it, you end up, as you can see here, this is a book that I have where I'm reading some of the material out of the book. And if you click on listen to this audio, you can actually listen to me read a chapter of the book that describes the 7 things you need to do to win the war on waste. So if you go through each of these, let me just click on this one. You might get a kick out of this. This is the Mel Brooks History of the World Part 2. And we have a number of videos in there that are extractions from various movies that we think are pretty fun. And so if you watch this...
Moses went to the mountain, and God spoke unto him.
So anyway, if you want a copy of that, I can email it to you. But that's a lot of fun. So we have a lot of fun in the War on Waste. So if you have any questions, certainly feel free to give us a call. Craig and I can be reached at the numbers listed below here, and or our emails at ewaronwaste.com. Thank you very much for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.